Learn every day for a better life. We all know how important it is to train our dogs and communicate effectively with them, but sometimes verbal commands are not enough. This is where dog whistles come in handy. In this video, we will explore the science behind dog whistles, how they work, and some tips and techniques to help you train your furry friend. Let's start by understanding what a dog whistle is. A dog whistle is a small, cylindrical device that produces a high-pitched sound that is audible to dogs but not to humans. The frequency of the sound is usually between 16,000 and 22,000 Hz. It is important to note that not all dogs can hear dog whistles, as their hearing abilities vary depending on their breed and age. Now, let's see how dog whistles work. When you blow into a dog whistle, it produces sound waves that are too high for humans to hear. However, dogs have a more sensitive hearing system than humans, so they can hear these high-pitched sounds. When a dog hears the sound of a whistle, it triggers a response in their brain that prompts them to take action. This response can range from coming towards you, to sitting down or stopping a certain behavior. So, how can you use dog whistles to train your dog? The first step is to choose the right whistle for your dog. As mentioned earlier, not all dogs can hear the same frequency, so it is important to choose a whistle that is suitable for your dog's hearing ability. The best way to find out which whistle works best for your dog is to test a few different ones and see which one they respond to the most. Once you have found the right whistle, it is time to start training your dog. The most effective way to use a dog whistle is to associate it with a specific command or action. For example, if you blow the whistle before giving the command to sit, your dog will eventually associate the sound of the whistle with the action of sitting. With consistent practice, your dog will learn to respond to the whistle command without needing to hear the verbal command. It is important to keep in mind that using a dog whistle is not a substitute for proper training. The whistle is simply a tool to aid in training and communication. Consistent practice, patience, and positive reinforcement are still necessary for effective training. Training with a dog whistle requires patience and consistency. It's important to start by introducing the whistle to your dog in a calm and positive environment without any distractions. Once your dog is familiar with the sound of the whistle, start associating the whistle with a specific command or behavior. Use a reward-based training approach and praise your dog when they respond to the whistle command. As your dog becomes more familiar with the whistle command, gradually increase the level of difficulty by adding distractions or practicing in different environments. Remember to keep your training sessions short and frequent to avoid overwhelming your dog. Training with a dog whistle can be challenging, especially in noisy environments or when there are distractions around. However, with patience and consistency, your dog will learn to respond to the whistle command even in challenging situations. That's it for this video. We hope you found this information helpful and that you will use these tips to train your furry friend. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to make your life better.